You've seen the screens? You know about the massage seats. You know the S-Class is the pinnacle of luxury. But what if I told you the features Mercedes doesn't talk about on the billboards are the ones that will truly blow your mind? The hidden magic that makes this car feel like it drove straight out of a sci-fi movie. I'm talking about technology so advanced, it's practically reading your mind, anticipating a crash before it happens, and making a car this massive handle like a compact sedan. Welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the W123 generation S-Class to uncover 7 mind-blowing hidden features. These aren't just gadgets, they're automotive game changers. Trust me, you're going to want to stick around for number 7, it could literally save your life. Let's jump in. Feature 1. The invisible touch door handles. You see them, then you don't. When locked, they sit perfectly flush with the body for that ultra-sleek, aerodynamic look. But watch this. Host walks up, bam. The car recognizes the key and they glide out to greet you. It's a small detail, but it's pure theater. And when you drive off, they retract again, reducing drag and making the S-Class one of the most aerodynamic cars in the world. Form meets incredible function. Feature to 10-degree rear axle steering. The S-Class is a big car. It's stately. But parallel parking shouldn't feel like docking a yacht. This optional feature allows the rear wheels to turn up to 10 degrees. What does that mean? It effectively reduces the turning circle by up to 2 meters. That's like a car the size of a long wheelbase S-Class suddenly handling a U-turn like a small C-Class. It's a hidden gem for city driving, making this limo surprisingly agile. Feature 3. Pre-safe impulse side. This is the one that might save your life. If the car detects an imminent side-on collision, and I mean milliseconds before impact, the active body control suspension uses its hydraulic power to lift the car's body up to 8 centimeters. Why? To direct the crash energy toward the incredibly strong lower frame rail, or sill, instead of the door. It's a proactive body shield, working in a fraction of a second to protect occupants. That is simply incredible safety engineering. Feature 4. The MBUX Interior Assistant. Your car is watching you, in the best way possible. Using cameras in the overhead control panel, this system interprets your body language. For example, if you look over your shoulder toward the rear window, maybe you're checking a passenger or a blind spot, the system automatically opens the rear sunblind for you. If you reach toward the passenger seat or glove box at night, the interior light turns on automatically. It anticipates your intent so you never have to fumble for a switch. Feature 5. Augmented reality head-up display. Forget the tiny little projections of the past. The S-Class projects information onto your windshield that appears to be about 77 inches diagonally, floating about 30 feet ahead. When you're navigating, instead of a small arrow, you get massive, dynamic, animated turn arrows that are virtually projected directly onto the lane you need to take. It literally merges digital instructions with the real world, so you can't miss your exit. Feature 6. Biometric fingerprint. Facial ID. The S-Class is a personal sanctuary, and now it knows exactly who you are. With a fingerprint reader on the dashboard, you can instantly load your personal profile. This includes up to 800 personalized settings, see position, ambient lighting colors, radio presets, even your favorite climate control settings. It's instant, secure personalization. Some models even offer a facial scanner for authentication. Feature 7. Burmester High-End 4D Surround Sound System. This isn't just a sound system, it's an experience. It boasts over 30 speakers and over 1,750 watts. But here's the hidden part, it's 4D. This system includes exciters, essentially small bass transducers built directly into the seats. The system translates the low-frequency bass from the music and turns it into a subtle vibration you feel in your body. You don't just hear the bass drum, you feel the bass drum. It transforms the cabin into a private, concert hall experience. Bonus feature, the Air Balance Cabin Air Fragrancing. Okay, I said 7, but here's a bonus for sticking around. The air balance system not only filters and purifies the air, removing pollen and fine dust, it offers a unique fragrancing system. It uses a little bottle of essential oils that gently, subtly, and intelligently perfumes the cabin. It's not a blast of cheap air freshener. It's a luxurious, climate-controlled scent experience. It just adds that final layer of unseen, felt luxury. So there you have it, 7+1. Hidden features on the new S-Class that truly redefine the word luxury. We went from the car reading your body language, to lifting itself out of harm's way, to shrinking its turning radius in a parking lot. It's clear Mercedes-Benz poured an incredible amount of unseen technology into this car. It's a glimpse into the future of driving, where the car is less of a machine and more of a highly intelligent, proactive co-pilot. Which of these 7 features blew your mind the most? Was it the life-saving pre-safe impulse side lift or the game-changing augmented reality HUD? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one. If you loved this deep dive, please consider hitting that like button and subscribing to the channel for more reviews of the most incredible automotive technology on the planet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.